Hello guys, this is How to Socials, and today I'm going to show you how you can upload the video on YouTube. It's really easy and it shouldn't take you a lot of time, so let's get right into it. So once you're on the main page of YouTube like I am right here, what you need to do is go on the right side, the top side of your screen, and just click on your on your YouTube channel icon. As you can see right here, your screen now should now look like this. And once you're here, just click on the third option, which is YouTube Studio, which will take you to this. Once you are here, what you need to do is just select upload videos and just select a file. And I'm uh, actually going to do that. So let's say I want to upload this video. Now the video is importing to YouTube. What I need to do is insert a title, for example, test, description of the video, which is also going to be test, a thumbnail, which I leave out because I don't really want to put one now, but for your video you should add a thumbnail. A playlist, if you have a playlist for your videos, just select it here or create one. Audience, is this video made for kids? Required. You need to select if the video is made for children, so YouTube knows who should it show the video to, and if it's appropriate for it to be seen by kids. Also, on the very bottom of this page you have more options, which is paid promotions. My video contains a paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. You are going to select it or not depending on your video. Tags, if you want a tag which can help you like reach out to more people, will make your video easier to find if you have any tags. You can also add captions, subtitles. Right here, as you can see, I have multiple options, multiple languages. Recording date and location. You can add the date of your recording, your video location, if you want a location. For example, if you show a landmark or I don't know, something in the actual world. License and distribution. Allow embedding, publish to subscriptions, feed and notify subscribers. Category, add your video to a category so viewers can find it more easily. Here you can select a category for your video. So let's say I'm posting gaming. Game title to game title optional, because you know, if you see a gaming video, in the description you'll find the game that person is playing, and this helps you with that. Comments and ratings, comment visibility, sort by top or newest, show how many viewers like and dislike this video, and that's pretty much all the options that you get. And from here on you just want to click on next. Oh, it's not made for kids. And here you can add a card, promote related content on the video. I'm going to leave this one for now, but you can do it as well. And then just visibility is the last thing that you need to like put in place before you upload your video. You have save or publish, private, unlisted, public, schedule, if you want to like your video to have a premiere on a certain date, or just to upload the certain time, not right now. And just hit save from there on, and your video will be uploaded, as you can see right here. And as you can see, this video is only visible to you because I selected private, but at this point your video should be uploaded on your YouTube channel, and be able to be seen by other people. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one. Cheers.